Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Molex Connector Kit is probably one of the most versatile and reliable connector solutions available for electronics enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering a wide range of connectors, terminals, and tools to suit diverse applications, ensuring seamless connections and simplifying complex projects, making it an invaluable asset for anyone working with electronic components and circuits. Number 5. Molex 2 to 12 pin Connector Kit. This kit is a comprehensive solution for your wiring needs. It includes various connectors to fit your specific application. It offers flexibility with 2 to 12 circuits, ensuring you have the right connector for any project. This makes it incredibly versatile. It features standard .062 pins, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of applications. This is a common and reliable size. It's designed to work with 18 to 24 AWG wires, providing a secure and reliable connection. This ensures a wide range of wire gauge compatibility. It comes with a handy extraction tool, making installation and removal a breeze. This simplifies maintenance and repair. It can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to +105 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for various environments. This ensures reliable performance in diverse conditions. The 3.68mm pitch ensures precise and secure mating. This precise design ensures a reliable connection. What we like. It has various circuits and includes a handy extraction tool. If you need versatility and ease of use for different projects, this is a great option. Its wide range of circuits makes it suitable for various applications. Number 4. Molex 1561 Crimp Connectors. These Molex 1561 connectors are designed for reliable connections. They're perfect for various applications requiring secure and efficient wiring. Each set includes 40 pairs of male and female pins, providing ample connectors for your projects. This ensures you have plenty for any job. These versatile connectors are compatible with 18 to 24 AWG gauge wires. This wide range ensures compatibility with a variety of applications. With a precise 0.062 pin size, they offer a secure and consistent connection. This precision ensures reliable performance. The crimp style ensures a durable and reliable connection. It's easy to use and provides long-lasting performance. You can trust in the quality and reliability of these Molex connectors. They are built to last and provide consistent performance. What we like. This kit offers a large quantity of crimp-style pins. If you're working on a large project and need many connectors, this is perfect for you. The bulk quantity ensures you'll have plenty of connectors on hand. What people say. Product was exactly as advertised, delivered on time. I wanted a nice and tidy way to connect and disconnect single wires without bulky terminals or unsoldering and re-soldering over and over, and this did the trick. I have a green star receiver and the wires shorted out. The new wiring harness was over 400.00 through John Deere. These pins worked flawless. I already had the crimp players well satisfied. Number 3. Molex Connector Lot 5 Sets. These connectors are perfect for your wiring needs. They're reliable and easy to use. You get 5 complete sets in this lot, ensuring you have plenty for your projects. No need to source them individually. Each connector features a 2-circuit design, providing efficient signal transmission. It's ideal for various applications. These connectors are compatible with 14 to 20 AWG wires, offering versatility in your connections. They are designed for a secure fit. The 0.093-inch pins ensure a secure and reliable connection. It's built to last. The free-hanging design allows for easy installation and flexibility in your setup. It simplifies your wiring process. What we like. It comes with multiple matched sets for convenient use. If you need a reliable connection with a slightly larger pin size, this is the one for you. The matched sets make it ideal for projects requiring multiple identical connections. What people say. Even though the quality is very good, the connectors do not work with the older style Molex connectors of the same configuration. I ended up swapping out the old style female connector for one of the new ones included. I bought many of these for my collection of motorcycles, accessories, and chargers. The pins and sockets come on a strip and you cut the parts from the strip. Right price and precisely what I was looking for: 5 solderless, polarized, low-voltage connector pairs, 12 VDC in my application. Nice bulk package in Ziploc bag, not carded. Molex has long been a standard for nylon connectors. Number 2. Molex Microfit 3.0 Connector Set. This set contains everything you need for reliable connections. It's perfect for various applications. It features a compact dual-row design, maximizing space efficiency. This makes it ideal for dense applications. The set includes both male and female receptacles, providing complete connectivity solutions. You'll have everything you need for your project. High-quality terminals ensure secure and consistent connections. They are designed for long-lasting performance. This convenient set includes 5 male connectors, 5 female connectors, 22 male terminals, and 22 female terminals. Everything is included for a seamless installation. It's suitable for a wide range of applications where reliable and space-saving connections are crucial. It's a versatile solution for many needs. What we like. This kit features a compact, dual-row design. If you are looking for a space-saving solution with multiple circuits, this kit is ideal for you. Its small size is perfect for compact applications. What people say. Worked great for extending the cable from my Bamboo Lab AMS light. Molex is the industry standard for these type of connectors. Been around for decades, and there isn't anything I can think of which could be changed for the better. A simple product, which does what it is intended to do, with good factory backing and literature. These are great connectors, nice and compact, good contact, and they have a high current rating. Number 1. Molex Connector Set. This set includes both male and female receptacles, perfect for a variety of applications. It's designed for easy connection and reliable performance. These connectors are built to last, withstanding daily wear and tear. They ensure a secure connection every time. The Molex connectors are compatible with 18 to 24 AWG standard wires. Its compact design makes it ideal for space-constrained applications. These connectors feature easy-to-use terminal sockets and 0.062 pins. Installation is simple and straightforward. This convenient pack contains 6 sets of connectors, providing ample supply for your projects. You'll have everything you need for multiple connections. With a precise 3.68 mm pitch, it ensures accurate and reliable connections every time. This precision is crucial for optimal performance. What we like. It offers multiple matched sets of connectors. If you need a reliable and standard size connector for your project, this is a great choice. The matched sets ensure consistency and ease of use. What people say. This product works great as a replacement. They are Molex, they fit tightly with good crimpable metal pins and do not have the latching arms. Product was just as stated, size was correct and made it up to my old connectors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.